Number 1. 1975 Plymouth Valiant 3 and 18 4-speed, $4,500, Brighton, Colorado. This 1975 Plymouth Valiant comes from the final years of traditional American compact sedans featuring rear-wheel drive and V8 power. It is equipped with a 318 cubic inch 8-cylinder engine paired with a 4-speed manual transmission, a combination that is becoming increasingly uncommon. Finished in white and described as being in fair condition, it shows normal age-related wear. With a clean title and straightforward mechanical design, this Valiant offers solid potential as an affordable Mopar driver or light restoration project. Number 2. 1985 Buick LeSabre Collector's Edition, $5,000, Peoria, Illinois. This 1985 Buick LeSabre Collector's Edition highlights classic General Motors comfort and long-term reliability. Powered by an 8-cylinder engine with an automatic transmission, it shows 74,000 original miles. Always garage kept and free of rust, the white exterior remains clean and presentable. The car starts easily, runs reliably, and features working air conditioning. Minor cosmetic imperfections are consistent with its age, making it a comfortable and dependable classic cruiser. Number 3. 1987 Pontiac Fiero, $1,350, St. Louis, Missouri. This 1987 Pontiac Fiero features a distinctive mid-engine, rear-wheel drive layout. Finished in orange, it is powered by the 4-cylinder Iron Duke engine paired with an automatic transmission. The car is not currently running and will need to be towed. However, it has good glass and many usable components, making it a solid candidate for restoration or an engine swap. It is well suited for an enthusiast looking for an inexpensive hands-on project. Number 4. 1985 Chevrolet El Camino, $4,999, Kalamazoo, Michigan. This 1985 Chevrolet El Camino combines muscle car styling with pickup-style utility. It is powered by a 5.0-liter 8-cylinder engine with an automatic transmission and is reported to run and drive well. Finished in yellow, it shows 50,000 miles with an odometer rollover noted. Described as being in fair condition, this El Camino offers strong mechanical performance with cosmetic improvements left to the next owner. Number 5. 1987 Ford Mustang 5.0 GT Foxbody, $6,999, Tacoma, Washington. This 1987 Ford Mustang 5.0 GT hardtop is a clean and well-kept Foxbody example. It is powered by a V8 engine paired with an automatic transmission and shows 108,000 miles. Finished in white with a red interior, the car is rust-free and carries a clean title. It has received suspension upgrades, new tires, and added security improvements, making it a strong value in the Foxbody Mustang market. Number 6. 1989 Ford Probe GT, $8,750, Colon, Nebraska. This 1989 Ford Probe GT is a rare and desirable turbocharged sport hatchback. Finished in silver, it features a 2.2-liter turbocharged 4-cylinder engine paired with a 5-speed manual transmission. With 78,191 original miles, recent mechanical servicing, and a clean title, it runs strong and delivers quick performance while remaining practical for everyday use. Number 7, 1970 Volkswagen Squareback, $8,350, Lake Havasu City, Arizona. This 1970 Volkswagen Squareback is a very clean and rust-free example of a classic air-cooled wagon. It is powered by a rebuilt 1,641 cubic centimeter engine equipped with dual carburetors and runs exceptionally well. The interior, dashboard, headliner, and electrical systems are all in excellent condition. With a manual transmission and strong road manners, this Squareback is a rare and highly desirable driver quality classic. Number 8, 1972 MGB GT, $6,000, Hayward, California. This 1972 MGB GT is a solid California car showing only minor surface rust. It features a rebuilt 4-cylinder engine with fewer than 500 miles and an upgraded 5-speed manual transmission. Recently tuned with properly balanced carburetors, it drives well and has a very clean interior. While it is ready for new paint, this MGB GT is a dependable driver with improved performance and usability. Number 9, 1969 Chevrolet Chevelle Wagon, $6,000, Tucson, Arizona. This 1969 Chevrolet Chevelle Wagon is a desirable muscle-era long-roof classic. It is powered by a crate 350 cubic inch 8-cylinder engine, paired with an automatic transmission, and runs and drives well. Most mechanical work has already been completed, although the floor pans will need repair. With a solid body and many original features still intact, it offers excellent potential for restoration or customization. Number 10, 1989 Cadillac Deville, $500, San Marcos, California. This 1989 Cadillac Deville provides an extremely low-cost entry into classic American luxury. Powered by a 4.5-liter 8-cylinder engine with an automatic transmission, it shows 154,000 miles. The engine runs strong, but the car needs transmission and suspension repairs and will require towing. Sold as is, it is best suited as a project vehicle or parts donor. Number 11, 1967 MGB GT, $9,400, Fall River Mills, California. This 1967 MGB GT is a mechanically sound and reliable driver. The engine and manual transmission operate well, supported by good suspension and responsive steering. The interior is clean and features custom wood accents along with a modern stereo system. Although the paint shows its age, the car presents well overall and remains a classic British coupe with engaging driving character. Number 12. 1965 Nissan Patrol 4-wheel drive, $6,500, Las Cruces, New Mexico. This 1965 Nissan Patrol is a rare vintage 4-wheel drive vehicle with fewer than 3,000 units originally imported into the United States. Powered by a straight-six engine, paired with a manual transmission, it runs and drives but will need minor radiator and carburetor repairs. With a clean New Mexico title, this Patrol offers exceptional rarity, rugged design, and strong historical significance. Number 13. 1962 Pontiac Tempest convertible, $8,500, San Francisco, California. This 1962 Pontiac Tempest convertible is a rare and well-preserved early 1960s classic. It is powered by a rebuilt 4-cylinder engine with approximately 15,000 miles and a 2-speed automatic transmission. Showing 116,000 original miles, it drives very well and features a clean interior, a nice convertible top, and original black license plates. This Tempest stands out as a distinctive and enjoyable summer cruiser.